Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Jasper AI, an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you write more effectively and efficiently. Jasper AI is a platform that uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to suggest content and provide feedback on your writing style. It's great for writers who are looking to improve their skills and learn more about the craft of writing. One of the things that sets Jasper AI apart from other writing assistants is its intuitive user interface. The platform is incredibly easy to use, even for those who are not familiar with AI-powered tools. The user interface is clean and simple, making it easy to navigate and find the features you need. Another thing I really appreciate about Jasper AI is its ability to learn and adapt to your writing style. As you use the platform more, it gets better at suggesting content that fits your unique voice and style. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're working on a large project or have a tight deadline. Jasper AI also offers a range of features to help you improve your writing skills. For example, it can highlight complex sentences or suggest synonyms for words you've used too many times. It can even help you identify areas where you might be using too much jargon or technical language. In terms of pricing, Jasper AI offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans with more advanced features. The paid plans are reasonably priced, and they offer a lot of value for the money. Overall, I think Jasper AI is an excellent platform for writers who are looking to improve their skills and streamline their writing process. It's intuitive, easy to use, and offers a range of features that can help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Link to register Jasper AI for free, under video description and comments. That's it for my review of Jasper AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.